Good day, my viewers. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, I'm counting on you. To heighten your readiness and to attain stellar performance, you need to subscribe to this channel so that you get notification anytime I make videos on sensitive topics in mathematics. You get, and it will help you to pass and to perform well in any external exam, even in your school exams. You get both WAEC, JAM, NAPTEC, DECO, GCE, etc. So you need to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. I know you will do so. Yes. So look at the question I have on the board. It's a problem now. They say we should find S. So watch me as I find the S. It says if 27 raised to the power S times 3 raised to the power 1 minus S all over 9 raised to the power 2S equals to 1, full stop, find the value of S. So solution 27. You know I love repeating questions. 27 raised to the power S times 3 raised to the power 1 minus S all over 9 raised to the power 2S equal to 1. Of course, you know that 3 raised to the power 3 is 27 and 3 raised to the power 2 is 9. You get? So, first of all, this is what? 3 raised to the power 3 bracket x times 3 raised to the power 1 minus x equals to 1 all over 3 raised to the power what? 2 bracket 2s. Do you get that? Okay. Over here, this means 3 raised to the power. I want to repeat the question again here to enable you to understand the steps. Just stay with me. Okay, now I'm done. Look at the question. The setting I have here. So 3 times s will give us what? 3 raised to the power what? 3x times normal 3 raised to the power 1 minus what? X. All over 3. 2 times 2x will give us what? 4x equals to 1. Now, the first thing we need to do is to work on the numerator first, because on the numerator here, I'm seeing product law, which is multiplication law. Now, nothing happens to inside that, though there is a division law here. So let's start. 3 raised to the power 3x plus 1 minus x all over 3 raised to the power 4x equals to 1. Observe that this thing I have here is the same thing with this, according to what? Multiplication law. I'm going to drop a description link that will connect you to the laws of indices that I made before now, to enable you to understand the laws of reading, and now to see why I am applying many laws to solve this question. Because if you are joining me for the first time, the first thing you need to do now is to do what? Subscribe. Just hit the smash button, the subscription button, subscribe, so that you get notification and then have access to my videos. You get? So now, from here, the denominator and the numerator, this thing now is showing us what? Division law. So this means, first of all, before we dive into division law, we need to do what? Collect like tens over here. You get? So here we're going to have what? 3 raised to the power 3x minus x. In fact, I need to do that. I need to do this over there. This thing that you are seeing here is going to be what? 3 raised to the power 3x minus x plus 1 all over 3 raised to the power 4s equal to 1. This means 3 raised to the power what? 2s plus 1 all over 3 raised to the power of 4s equal to 1. Now, at this point, what do? We apply what? Division what? Law. Because what we are seeing here is what? Division law. So it's going to be what? 3 raised to the power 2s plus 1 minus, before minus, I want you to understand something, divided by 3 raised to the power of 4s equal to 1. Now minus will still come. Yeah? I want to take you through the steps to enable you understand it. Now, this is what? 3 raised to the power what? 2s plus 1. Now, here comes the minus. Minus bracket 4s equals to 1. This minus now is showing you that there was division over there. That's over here right now. You get? So now, observe that we have 3 here, but we're having 1 here. Another law will be applied here. Which law is that? Zero index law. This is 3 raised to the power 2x plus 1, then minus 4x equals to 3 raised to the power 0. Because zero index law taught us that anything raised to the power 0 is what? 1. So, are you seeing it now? But before I do anything here, I need to do what? Collect like terms in the what? Indices. Do you get? So what do I do? What do I do? Let me do that over there. What do I do? That is 3 raised to the power what? 2x minus 4x plus 1 equal to 3 raised to the power 0. So this will give us what? 2x minus 4x will give us what? Minus, plus 2x minus 4x will give us what? Minus 2x, right? Then plus 1 equal to 3 raised to the power of 0. Did you understand? So at this point, what do? I want to repeat this question again before I cancel out. That is 3 raised to the power 2x plus 1 equals to 3 raised to the power 0. 3 will cancel out here. We have minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. What do? You make s subject of what? Formula. That means minus 2x equals to minus 1. Because when 1 crosses this equality sign, it's going to be what? Minus. So, another thing you need to do is to make s subject of what? Formula. That means s equals to minus 1 over minus 2. I just want you to say, why can't you just divide? Why can't you just cancel out the minus? I know, but just follow the steps. If you learn it, you can solve it in your own way. Do you understand? So, minus divided by minus will give us what? Plus. So, s is equals to 1 over 2. Final answer. And please, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give my video a thumbs up. Look at the steps there. Follow the steps. Look at it here. Look at this. And look at that. You get? And this is the final answer. This is the way I did it. So if you understand this thing, then you can solve in your own way. But I know you understood it. Thank you.